Guys, for the longest time when I was trying to grow online and grow my business, I thought that I needed to do a lot more. I thought that I needed to learn more. I thought that I needed like more strategy and tips, right? And you know, the thing that I really needed to start winning was none of those things. I needed to become a new person, let go of old habits, and honestly unlearn a lot of things. So in this video, I want to share 5 things that I had to unlearn to finally start winning online. All right, number 1, guys, is thinking more work equaled more success. And man, let me tell you, in those early stages, I was definitely just working myself to death with a lot of stuff I was doing online. I honestly, mainly with my YouTube channel. I mean, my first YouTube channel, I put so much time editing for hours, pulling all-nighters. It was just crazy. And you know, I think this is something that a lot of people believe, you know, just work harder and you'll achieve whatever you're trying to get or get what you want. And something I've definitely learned is, man, it's about working smart and working on the right things and putting your focus on the right stuff. I think those are the things that, at least for me, really moved the needle for my business. And even today, those are the things that continue to grow my business when I focus on those things. All right, guys, the second thing I had to unlearn, and that is waiting to feel ready. Oh man, when I just think back to how long I waited to do certain things, and I don't know what that came from. I think it mainly came from fear, or I think trying to be a perfectionist. And really the best thing you can do is just start messy. Things don't have to be perfect. That's where you're going to learn the most. That's where you're going to see the most growth, is when you just jump in and you're in the trenches doing the work. Like, you can't learn and get that experience from just thinking about starting something. You have to get in and do the work. And honestly, guys, you're never gonna feel 100% ready. Like, thinking of things that I've done, starting a photography business, certain side hustles. Sorry, that's a duck right there. They're always trying to bite me and stuff when I'm walking by. But yeah, anything I've done, for the most part, I wasn't 100% ready. You know, I just kind of dove in and just learned along the way. All right, so the third thing I had to unlearn was trying to get everyone to understand what I'm doing, or I guess you could say my path or my vision. I struggle with this big time in the beginning stages of being online. It's another thing, I don't know what it really comes from. I guess we just want people to kind of understand what we're doing, or I guess in a sense it could be, we kind of want people to kind of validate, in a sense, what we're doing. But you know, not everything is meant to be understood. And if people don't understand what I'm doing, that's totally fine, right? My business, my vision is for me. It should be for you. It shouldn't be for everyone else. You know what I'm saying? The fourth thing I had to unlearn is just measuring progress by numbers. I would say this is something that a lot of people in business do, right? You're just, you know, thinking about the views, your income numbers, and thinking that's the only form of progress. And see, something I've learned about just numbers and chasing numbers and stuff is the numbers don't tell the whole story, right? Progress can be measured in a lot of different ways. Maybe you're just more consistent doing something. That's progress. Or even how you feel about what you're doing. Maybe you just feel better. Maybe you feel, I don't know, more aligned. You feel more purpose. That's progress. It's not always about the numbers. And that's a toxic cycle of just fixating and focusing on the numbers. All right, guys, I saved the best for last. And the fifth thing I had to unlearn is to stop comparing my journey to everyone else's. And this is something I used to do this so much. And comparison can just steal your joy. Honestly, it's very draining. I think for me, just coming to that realization, man, everyone's journey is different. There's no need to compare and be so hard on yourself. You know, just understanding we all have a different path. We all have a different story. We all have our own specific timing. I like to say that things will happen when they're supposed to happen for you. And share your thoughts in the comments, guys. Are you currently trying to unlearn some things when it comes to your online journey? I want to know. Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.